waking up, and water gently flowing over us. Early morning in a quiet forest by a stream, sunlight filtering through the trees, birds waking up, and water gently flowing over us, over us, over Early morning in a quiet forest by a stream, sunlight filtering through the trees, birds waking up, and water gently flowing over us. Early morning in a quiet forest by a stream, sunlight filtering through the trees, birds waking up, and water gently flowing over us, over us, generate a peaceful, immersive nature. Soundscape inspired by a lush green forest, with cascading waterfalls flowing into a crystal clear turquoise pool. Turquoise pool. Gentle sound of falling water, soft ripples on the lake's surface, birds chirping softly in the distance, a light wind rustling through leafy trees. The overall mood sunlight filtering through the trees, birds waking up, and water gently flowing over us. Generate a peaceful, immersive nature. Soundscape inspired by a lush green forest, with cascading waterfalls flowing into a crystal clear turquoise pool. Turquoise pool. Generate a peaceful, immersive nature. Soundscape inspired by a lush green forest, with cascading waterfalls flowing into a crystal clear turquoise pool. Include the gentle sound of falling water, soft ripples on the lakes of the lake surface. Birds chirping softly in the distance, and light wind rustling through leafy trees. The overall ocean become cool, and rejuvenating, evoking the feeling of setting fire with pure the waters, and the lake surface looking at a natural paradise. Use layered ambient textures with natural echo and subtle stereo depth. Ideal for meditation, deep relaxation, or sleep, or sleep, or sleep. calm, cool, and rejuvenate. Evolve.